Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today I'm the representative for the from the swipe team, and I will gonna present the business plan, which is the PC image expansion of the software development. So this is the rough idea for what I will explain and present today. So to summarize the executive summary, I have 3 points, and the first point is the streamline a few operations for the other businesses by developing and designing local software. The second point is to prioritize firms or businesses that are not IT bases as our customer objective. The third one is do research and engage with academic institutions such as UNIMAS. So, for the service description, the first one is to devise a company startup plan that included a software development that can create an effect that truly meets the needs of the client. So, the second one is aim to expand PC image capacity and investigate software prospect. So, the third one is the PC image will benefit greatly from this business idea because they will invest more and generate more income as we approach a new era of technology. So for the technology description, which consists of five main points, which is the first one is prototype designing. We will mainly use Figma for this, and the second one is the integrated development environment, which is the IDE. We will mainly use Visual Studio Code. For the programming language, we're not gonna specify it because it will follow the requirement of the project. For the database, we will go using MySQL because MySQL is compatible with most of the programming language. For the development technique, we will mainly use SDLC and RAD.
Moving on to market analysis and strategies. PC Image are among the largest information technology retail chain in Malaysia with over 30 retail locations around the countries. It is possible for PC Image to expand their business not just in IT chain supplier but also as a service as a service or software as a service vendor, specifically software development service. As shown in the slide, Figure 1 shows a linearly increasing demand since 2018 and most of the demand came from SaaS. PC Mesh cannot simply expand their business in the software development field without a proper strategy as it could lead to huge loss. A software development strategy allows developers to come up with an effective set of do's and don'ts and how regarding the future application design, development, and deployment, and move consistently through each step of a development project. So these are 6 strategies that PC Mesh will follow in order to expand our business in software development service. So the number one being in-house versus outsourcing. The second one is reducing costs, and the third one being development model. The fourth is improving speed, and the fifth is quality attribute, and the last one, the sixth one, is making it marketable.
For the expansion of PC Image business plan, these are the roles that will be involved in our management team. The CEO oversee and manage overall operations in PC Image, including our newly service software development. Project manager break down action plan by delegating tasks to the team, create project timeline, and allocate resources for the project. Our software developers team will include front-end and back-end developers. While front-end focus on building the part of the software that users will see and interact with, back-end developers on the other hand will build the functionality of the software. User interface or user experience designers will design how the software looks and feels. DevOps specialists will simplify the process of software development.
So moving on for the financial estimates or projection. So the total current asset for this project is 11,000 ringgit, and the long-term asset total is 18,000 ringgit. For the liabilities, the total liabilities is 17,000 ringgit, while the owner equity total is 10,000 ringgit, which sum up will be 20,000 ringgit. For the income statement, the total revenue is 30,000 ringgit and the net profit is 18,500 ringgit. So we're gonna go to the cash flow for this project. The first one is the cash flow from the revenue with amount of 30,000 ringgit. Cash flow from operating activities with the amount of negative 18,000 ringgit. The net decrease in cash will be the 18,500 ringgit. Cash at the beginning with the amount of 18,000 ringgit, and the cash at the end will with the amount of 36,500 ringgit. This is the pro forma statement for this project. So for the 1 year, it consists of 4 quartile and each quartile consists of 3 months. The last asset for this pro forma statement in 1 year is 358,500 ringgit.
For this section, we'll view that what is the return of investment for our business. Return of investment used to evaluate how well the investment has performed. The initial value dedicated for this business is 30,000 ringgit and the final value after a year of business is 358,500 ringgit. To calculate return of investment, simply use this formula: final value minus with initial value divided with initial value and times 100%. From here, we will see that our ROI in 1 year is 1,095%, with profit 358,500 ringgit.
To conclude, we are going to take a look at PC Image business model canvas. Our key partners being the outsourced software development agencies and investors. Key activities are the software development and the implementation of SaaS, Software as a Service. The key resources are software developers, specifications, the skill of problem solving, and also tools for software development. We will conduct quality assurance, take action on customer feedback, and perform software maintenance to maintain relationship with our customers. How customers can communicate with us is through our hotline, social media, email, explore our online shop, and also visit our outlet. The type of customers we deal with are companies, small businesses, and anyone who is interested in technology, digital products, and services. Our expenditure falls on the operating activities, liabilities, and our operating expenses. Lastly, PC Image will gain profit through software development.
So I think this is our business plan for the project. Thank you.